Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best plasma cutter you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best plasma cutter in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is Forney Easy Weld Plasma Cutter. This is a powerful and easy to use plasma cutter. This machine is generator friendly and runs off a standard 120 volts outlet, making cutting on the go easy and efficient. With this plasma cutter, you can clean cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, brass and copper up to 1x4 inch. This machine is easily transportable. This plasma cutter also features drag torch technology, which allows you to drag the tip directly on the surface of the material for smooth and precise cuts. This machine can also cut aluminum up to 3x16 inch. For auto body, farm and ranch, contractor, metal art, and do-it-yourself projects, the Forney Easy Weld 20P is the ideal choice. Forney's 120-volt 20P plasma cutter is generator-friendly, so on-the-go cutting and moving to different job sites is possible. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 20P plasma cutter. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The input is 120 volts and the output is 20 amps max with a 35% duty cycle. It can cleanly cut up to 1/4 of an inch plate and sever up to 3/8 of an inch. This machine comes with Forney contact info, quick start guide, and manual, and also comes with an additional set of consumables. It includes a plasma torch, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, ground cable, and clamp. To get started, all you need is standard household power. Use the adapter if needed. Next, attach a line to your air compressor. For best cutting performance, make sure that the air is as clean and dry as you can get it and between 60 and 90 psi. Make sure you have a good ground too, otherwise your cutting performance will suffer. The cutting tip uses drag torch technology and allows you to keep the cutting tip in contact with the material you're cutting. The output current knob is the only adjustment you make on the machine, and it allows you to fine-tune your cutting arc to the thickness of the material you're cutting. As you pull the trigger to start your cut, the air will flow for a few seconds to purge the air line, and then the arc will fire up. When you're done cutting, the air will continue flowing for a few seconds to cool the cutting tip and extend its life. That sums up the Forney Easy Weld 20P. It's perfect for auto body, farm and ranch, HVAC, plumbing, and do-it-yourselfers. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, shade 5 eye protection, and fire-resistant gloves and jacket. Consult the manual for additional tips, tricks, and troubleshooting steps should you need them.
Number 2 in this best plasma cutter list is Lotos LTP 5000D plasma cutter. The LTP 5000D is an excellent choice for home DIY jobs and light-duty small business projects. The Lotos LTP 5000D Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter delivers strong cutting performance in a compact package. The Pilot Arc feature is especially useful for continuous cutting on rough surfaces or dirty metal. Pilot Arc Torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. An optimized design based on state-of-the-art MOSFET or IGBT transistors provides high power output for thick metal cutting, as well as steady output for thin metal cutting. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Dual voltage capability allows the machine to run directly on 220 V 50/60ths of a Hz power, or on 110 V 50/60ths of a Hz with the use of a pigtail. Our third choice is Hypertherm Powermax 45 Plasma Cutter. The Hypertherm Powermax 45 XP offers improved performance over the Hypertherm Powermax 45 with increased cut capacity up to 16 mm metal as well as faster cut speeds, and automatic gas adjustment for simple setup and operation. New Duramax lock torches and consumables support handheld and mechanized cutting of a wider range of metal thicknesses, precision gouging and maximum metal removal gouging, and marking for part identification or scoring for weld preparation. Patented drag cutting technology makes the Powermax 45 XP easy to use even for first-time operators. Smart Sense technology ensures that air pressure is always correctly set. Fourth pick in this best plasma cutter list is PRIMEWELD Cut 60 Plasma Cutter. The PRIMEWELD Cut 60P is a user-friendly machine that doesn't require any special skills or experience. It's built to last and is ideal for top-notch cuts, fast turnaround times and ease of operation. This versatile unit is perfect for both industrial and construction work and home/hobby use and can be used to create artistic patterns in metals. With blowback start technology, 60% duty cycle at 60 amps and dual voltage 110 volts to 220 volts with adapter, there are plenty of elements in this 60 amp plasma cutter to make it worthy of a place in your workshop. Best of all is the continuous pilot arc, which allows you to cut expanded, rusted and painted metals. This plasma cutter is highly portable so you can take it wherever it's needed, from the job site to home workshops and beyond. It's an ideal cutting device that can quickly and easily be attached to generators and welders. This plasma cutting machine includes a PT60 blowback cutting torch, complete with a Euro central connection, which provides premium control over your projects. It's specifically designed to produce top quality cuts in stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum and many other types of metal materials. Our fifth and last choice is Hyperthermo 88079 Plasma Cutter. The new Powermax 30XP delivers high performance in a small, portable package. With its 2-in-1 design, the system provides high power capability for thick metal cutting, plus fine cut consumables for detailed, thin metal cutting. Combined with a custom carry case, shaded glasses, cutting gloves and adapter plugs for 120 volts or 240 volt circuits, this system is designed to get you cutting quickly and easily. 2-in-1 design, high power cutting up to 16 mm plus fine cut consumables for detailed, thin metal cutting. Designed to last, new Duramax LT torch is designed to withstand impact and heat. Easy to use one knob interface and superior cut quality for less edge preparation. Highly portable, small size, lightweight and carry strap ensure high portability. Cut any kind of metal, stainless steel, aluminum, mild steel even if rusted or painted. No expensive and explosive gases needed. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!